here. This is one of two tables that I had. Nice side tables, good condition, and we decided to turn one of them into two bedsides. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. First of all, let's show you the one completed. That's somewhere over here, I think. Now, this is what we're going to end up with. Things that you're going to need. You're going to need a pencil, a marker, a measuring tape, a decent saw, drill bits, fixings to fix into the wall, raw plugs and screws, screwdriver, and masking tape. We decided to be about 9.5 inches from the wall, so that's the length that we're going to use for our table. Mark it up on one side, do exactly the same on the other side, and the reason for the marker is to make a nice good solid line. Now we put masking tape on the side that you're going to keep. This prevents breakout and any damage that you might do on the bit that you want to keep. Now make sure you've got your table on a good solid surface where it's not going to move, and you're going to cut the line. Nice solid strokes using a good length of the blade, making sure that your hands are out of the way, your knees are out of the way, your legs are out of the way. Do not end up in hospital. Make sure it's solid, secure, and saw it all the way through. Be brave and have a go. It does help if you've got a straight line. Once that's done, then just sand off all the rough edges you may find. I was very lucky, there was very little to sand down, and it became a nice clean finish. Not bad, I like that. Now we put the fixings on. I decided to put the fixing on around about 1/3 of the way up the main crossbar that was left on the table. Slide them up, hold it in place, use your pencil, draw a little hole or a little circle through the hole. Then get your drill with a very small drill bit. I use this for a pilot hole, and all this is for is just ease of putting the screw in later on. Make sure you do not drill straight through. Literally you're drilling in just a few millimeters. This will allow you then to put the screw in and tighten the screw up. When you've got a bracket on one side, do exactly the same on the other side. Mirror finish. Now this is where the one that has already been put in, or one we prepared earlier, and this is where the new one is going to go. So simply I line the table up, and underneath where the brackets were, I did the same and marked up on the wall where I wanted them to go. Using a drill bit, right size for the raw plugs you're going to use, drill a hole, try and ensure you don't have any water pipes behind there or electrical pipes or anything like that. It's your responsibility not to get killed. Anyway, and then we fix it to the wall. You have to lie down under the table, a little bit fiddly, screw it in, and then you end up with what I think are two rather smart bedsides, which we made out of a rather smart table. And if you enjoyed anything of this, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. I'd appreciate the subscribe. And next time I'll be back with another DIY in the Costa Blanca. Thank you for watching.